The first flagship motorcycle from TVS, also the entry-level performance sports bike, the Apache 310RR. The unique reverse incline engine which helps to centralize the bike mass for its lower center of gravity for better handling, while the engine closer to a front wheel for longer swing arm which helps in shorter wheelbase. अब बाइकको wheelbase shorter भयो भने ट्राफिक कन्डिसन र कर्नरिङमा धेरै नै सजिलो हुन्छ, बाइकमा धेरै फ्लेक्सिबल आउँछ. With 312 single-cylinder engine that produces 34 bhp of power at 9,700 rpm and 27.3 Nm of torque at 7,700 rpm with a max speed of 160 km per hour. And this bike can also go from 0 to 60 in 2.4 seconds and 0 to 100 in 7.4 seconds. All the parts used in these bikes looks very premium, like the handlebar, the switch gear, and also the LED tail lights, which gives the bike an extra premium looks in this segment. Fuel tank कुरा गर्दाखेरि is just 11 liter अनि कम्पनीले भने अनुसार यसको माइलेज चाहिँ 30 km per liter हो. That can be depend on the road and also the rider. नेपालको बाटो भनेको त्यस्तै हो भन्न सकिदैन. Our design कुरा गर्दाखेरि it gets full fairing supported by steel trellis frame with split chassis design. Also air ducts on the side which helps in cooling the engine. It gets powerful twin LED projector headlamp, LED tail light and LED blinkers. त्यसैले अब बाइक राति चलाउँदाखेरि चाहिँ लो लाइटको समस्या आउँदैन. Instrument cluster is also very unique with vertical display which includes lap timing, gear shift, indicator and many more. While going on high RPM, the vibration can be felt especially on the handlebar and also on the seat. अब single cylinder bike हो त्यसले गर्दाखेरि double cylinder जस्तो refine चाहिँ हुँदैन. अब यस्तो हेर्दाखेरि the bike doesn't look like as a single cylinder. It looks like Italian beast. Braking is also fine. Front part it gets 300mm and 240mm on the rear side with the dual channel ABS. Also both brakes are from Brembo, one of the premium brand. Suspension is also from one of the premium brand called Kayaba. Front part has got 41mm of USD shocks with gold finishing which gives premium looks, and rear it gets monoshock. Bike हेर्दाखेरि sporty भयो भने खासै aggressive चाहिँ छैन, so त्यसले गर्दाखेरि city road को लागि चाहिँ fine छ. Also while riding on the city road, this bike feels a bit less flexible compared to other bikes because of this wide mirror. Mirror अलिक बढी wideness हो compared to other bikes, अनि mirror पनि अलि like मिलाउनु पनि गाह्रो हुँदो रहेछ. त्यसैले गर्दाखेरि हाई ट्राफिक सिचुएसनमा चाहिँ ठोकिने बढ्ने सम्भावना हुन्छ. So right now it's available on only two color option, the red one and the matte black. Especially मलाई चाहिँ personally चाहिँ red color चाहिँ मन पर्यो cause it gives the illusion of Italian bike. And also the dry weight of this bike is 170 kg. Regarding the tire, it gets 150 on the rear and 110 on the front with alloy wheels. आजको लागि यति नै हो. If you guys have any queries regarding this bike, then you guys can comment down below, or you can also DM me on my Instagram, that is Ride Nepal official. यतै हुँदै हुन्छ. Until then, see you guys in next vlog.